Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, let's take a look at Tyson Foods. This is ticker TSN. We're seeing shares that were earlier lower, down as much as 3.8% for their worst day since May, but we are seeing a reversal. Shares up about 0.8% right now. This is after the company's first quarter profits benefited from higher beef pricing as well as healthy chicken demand. So we did have the beef business reporting $143 million adjusted operating loss in the quarter, but the chicken segment continued to see year over year growth. So clearly it's trickling out well for the street.
You just had to make more chickens.
Exactly. That's what it seems like.
I said that like a year and a half, 2 years ago. It worked. Now it's not working with the beef prices. It takes a while to make more cows. I understand.
Yeah.
I was talking to some ranchers and he said, your thing's not going to work.
The cycle is a lot longer,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, I moved my mic because I was trying to gesticulate with my hands just how long it can take.
Make more cows. Get the ranchers out
More
there.
of the story.
All right. What else?
Also looking at shares of Disney. This is ticker DIS. We're seeing shares lower by about 4.7% right now as we speak. This is all about the outlook that a lot of analysts and investors are scrutinizing. They're seeing the outlook as tepid, especially as we know that the company is still preparing to find for a new CEO. So we're also seeing that Disney is expecting challenges attracting international tourists to its domestic parks in this second quarter. But it also did warn of ongoing increased costs for sports rights. So clearly all of this is really weighing on shares. So we're seeing Barclays also saying that the key to valuation recovery will be attendance recovery in parks and operating leverage for streaming. So we are seeing shares slumping as much as 8%, now pairing a bit, but earlier dropping for its lowest level since November.
All right,
I'm sticking with my kitchen sink strategy, which is just dumping everything before they name the new CEO.
Right, low bar.
Low the bar for the new CEO.
And it's a clean slate.
Yep.
And then he kind of sets the agenda. He sets the tone going forward.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Last one.
Last up, looking at shares of ORCL, ticker ORCL. We're seeing shares up by about 2.4%. This is after the news that the company plans to raise as much as $50 billion this year to build out cloud infrastructure capacity. So you're certainly seeing Wall Street rally behind this stock. I mean, if you take a look at year to date, though, we are seeing shares down by about 14%. But in terms of today, we are seeing the stock in the green.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.